in Balsa. So, before explanation, I will show you our material.
A metal saw, a glue stick, a string, abrasive paper, 6 Balsa tube and paper in A3 format. The test system consists on 2-point supports connected to a seal placed on the spar, which itself is placed between 2 tables. We limit ourselves to these 8 different shapes because they are the most simple to build. You can eventually create more complicated ones that resist better. After some calculations, we see that the eye is the best quality moment. Thus, we are going to use this shape, and with further calculations, we find the maximum force applicable, 94 newtons. For the construction, we will need some security equipment, a pair of safety shoes, a blow of work and gloves. I will use the sub glue, because it's easy to use and has a quick grip, what is very important. So I will put it on this Balsa tube, and then on this one.
Two hours later.
Now we are assembling them. We have our 3 assemblies. We stick them to give them a shape in eye. Always with the glue, we fix the paper around the eye. And to finish, we hang the string under. During the test, to simplify the measurement of the effort, we have used a cup of 100 mm to fill the bucket Newton by Newton. So, after placing the system and hooking the bucket to it, we have started to fill it. Before the design, I was thinking the spar was going broke at the middle with a traction effort. This is why I have put the paper at this place and the string below this. But we can see during the test that it is twisting before breaking.
This is the end, beautiful friend.